Hi guys, good evening. This is Ben from Jexaa showing you the Witstech A81G Capacitive Multi-Touch Multimedia Internet device. This is the box here. You've got the specifications on the side. It's running a Texas Instruments OMAP Cortex A8 processor. Really nice processor. Let's see what we get in the box. So if I bring this up here, you get a nice carry case for your device there. It's handy when you're taking it around with you. Now if we look at the accessories in the box here, you've got your standard charger here, and now you'll need a UK adapter that we will provide. Witstech have just released a 3-pin UK charger that should be coming through within the next sort of 2 weeks or so, so we won't have to worry about that. Apart from that, we've got a mini USB to full female USB port connector cable here, and the other really nice accessory that comes in there is a car charger. Now I'll explain why a car charger is good in a minute, but it's nice to have that in there. So we move that out of the way for a second. We'll show you the device. So as you can see, with the carry case, you've got straps there, nice protective case. Stop it getting knocked. Okay, so if we look at the device here, along the bottom you've got your micro SD slot here, so that supports up to 32 gigabytes, which is good for expandable storage. Moving around the device, this hand side is smooth. You've got a smooth curved back. Top side, again, nice and smooth, curved back. You've got a rocker switch for your volume, and here's the power on button. Final side, you've got a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, full USB port, mini USB port where you can use the connector that I showed you a minute ago, and the power supply there. Now on the front of the device you've got further 3 buttons. You've got your home button, you've got your return button, and you've got your menu settings button. So if I just pop the screen on there, I'll turn this off so we get a bit of a better picture on that. Okay, let's bring that open. So it's a 7-inch full capacitive multi-touch screen, really nice and sensitive, as you can see there with my finger. You've got your standard 5-page home page, so you can see here all areas that you can add applications to. Like I said, it's an OMAP Texas Instruments processor running at 600 megahertz. I think that most of the models that are coming out now are actually overclocked to 720 megahertz. I will actually test this and get back to you on that. But I mean, it's between 600 and 720, but the actual performance of it is beyond belief for that sort of range. You've got 2 gigabytes of internal memory, 256 megabytes of RAM, which is more than adequate for your multitasking that you can do on the device there. If I bring up the internet browser here, I'll show you how quick that is. So it's loaded up with google.co.uk. If we type in here, if we do a search for Jexaa, J-E-X-A, go for that. You can see how fast the search is there. If we bring up the page here, we'll show you. Now, as it's running Android 2.2, it supports Flash 10.1, 10.2 now, which means that you get a full, rich internet browsing experience like you should from a computer. So if we come down, another benefit of the multi-touch capacitive screen is the pinch to zoom function, much like the iPad, the iPhone, the iPod. They sort of kick-started the pinch to zoom, but I'll show you here. Pinch in and back out again. Really nice action there. The other cool thing about this is you've got a double tap to zoom, which is another good function. Okay, this model, the A81G, is actually benefiting from an accelerometer, so you can turn the device and then you get it in portrait mode here. Again, pinch to zoom works absolutely fine, no problem at all. Other benefits from the G over the last model, which was the E, is you've got Bluetooth, you've got a full USB port. It's also supporting external 3G dongles, so if you're on the move and you want to be using your 3G mobile connectivity, then that's not a problem at all. apart from that, we've got GPS built in. Now I'll show you the GPS test here. We're inside, so it won't pick anything up. But I'll show you the GPS test. Now, downloading an application such as Copilot or Navman, which aren't too expensive at all, I think they're sort of under £15, you can turn this device into a 7-inch sat-nav, and we actually sell a windscreen mount in the store. If you look under accessories, that will enable you to have this on your windscreen, much like a sat-nav, which is really useful. One of the other things that I forgot to mention before, on the back here, we've got a removable battery, which means that if you're out and about and you need the device for longer than a standard battery life, we sell a replacement battery that you can have, charge both of them up, take them with you. It's actually the only tablet that we sell at the moment which has a removable battery, which is really nice. The other benefit is, you can see here, kickstand pops out of the back on a nice stiff hinge, so we can have that down then, remove that back. Perfect for watching movies, anything like that. Another nice feature there. If I show you a YouTube video, I'll show you some HD quality on this device. Bring that up. Okay, so this is the standard Android application for YouTube. We come in here, search I did earlier, HD test, and we'll bring up this dog here. Nice dog. Here. Now this is in full 1080p playback, high quality. There you can see here. Now there's not too much sound coming from this video, but you've actually got two good quality speakers on the back that you'll probably be able to hear in a second when I show you a game. But as you can see there, really nice. If I bring it in, you can see the the definition on the screen there is absolutely superb. So let's come out of that. And I'll come in and show you one of my favourite games that I downloaded earlier. Where are Fruit Ninja, here we go. Now this is just a good example of how good quality the games are getting. Now this device has the Android market on, which now has over 300,000 apps, and is set to outgrow the Android market, the iTunes Apple market within the next sort of couple of months. Now this game here, you can see, takes full advantage of the sensitive display. The idea is, you don't want to get the bombs, you've got to get as much fruit as possible without letting it drop. So you control a sort of virtual blade. 2 in 1. Right, so I could sit there and play that for hours, but I'm not going to. Now some of the other applications that you've got on the device as standard is you get your Gmail. You've got your MSN Messenger, like I said, the Android market. You've got Quick Office that it comes with. My favourite is Docs to Go that I've downloaded. Now you can download this for under a tenner, and it means that you can bring productivity to your Android device, so you can open your Word, your Excel, your PowerPoint documents, edit, annotate, view, email, anything that you could. And obviously if you've got an external or Bluetooth keyboard, in this case as this device is supporting Bluetooth, you can actually do some more productive work on your device as well. Now one of the other benefits, applications that people are talking about at the moment on these devices is bringing ebooks onto them. Now this comes with a really nice ebook reader as standard, that I'll show you here. So you've got your bookshelf here, your downloaded books. If we go into our bookshelf, we'll read The Invisible Man by H.G. Wells. So turn it around into portrait mode here. I think you see that there, I'll get it in camera. So we're on chapter 2. Nice touch to move, left hand side to go back, right hand side to go through. The other functions you've got with your menu button here, we can change it. So do we want it in night mode? Change the colour, we're almost out of battery, so we can highlight it green. There's a load of different options that we can have there, which is really nice. So as an ebook function free, it's absolutely fantastic with the use of the Amazon Kindle app for Android, and a few of the other ones. You can download almost unlimited amount of books now onto the device. One more quick thing that I'll show you before I go is a few people have been asking me over the last couple of days, how do you bring the applications to the home screen and remove them at the same time? So if we go with Fruit Ninja, tap onto it, bring it onto the home screen here, so you see it's underneath my finger there. If you want to bring it across to this screen, just hold it on that side and come across, let go of it. Now if you want to get rid of it, hold it down again and simply bring it over to the right hand side till it goes red in the trash can, and that's that done. Right, now to sum up, 7-inch multi-touch capacitive device with GPS and Bluetooth. We've got this on the site at the moment for just under 200, $199.99. Little bit pricier than our other 7-inch capacitive device, but you have got the addition of GPS, sat-nav, Bluetooth, and a few of the other benefits as well. I should mention you can run this on Windows CE 6.0, and soon it'll actually be an update, so you can dual boot it. So each time you turn it on, you'll be able to choose whether you want to go into Windows CE or Android 2.2. So I mean, if you're looking to sort of spend £200, this is the device for you. And if you've got any further questions, please just give us a call, send us an email. We'll be more than happy to answer those for you. So this is Ben signing out for Jexaa, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks guys, bye bye.